Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how I made this high protein, cheesy, vegan stuffed pizza. I do stuff this with cheese and pepperoni, and we make the crust and everything from scratch so that we can pack as much protein in here as we can. If you guys are interested, go ahead and stay tuned. If you enjoy this content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So to get started, we are using some self-rising flour. I use 1.5 cups of this, and then I use 1 cup of a vegan yogurt. So I use a dairy-free yogurt that's maybe coconut based or coconut milk based or almond milk based, a plain one, and I mix in 1 to 2 scoops of a plain protein powder that's vegan friendly. I like the Vega brand. There's also a hemp brand that you can find at your local store. And then to go ahead and season the flour, we just add in a bit of Italian seasoning. And then we're gonna go ahead and give that a mix. And once the dough is no longer super sticky, then that's when you know that it's ready. If you feel like it's sticking a little bit too much, then just add in a little more flour. If you feel like it's dried out a little bit, then just add in a little more of that yogurt. And then just go ahead and mix it until it is well combined and you're able to touch it and pull your finger away without getting a ton of stickiness to it. And on a lightly floured surface, we're going to go ahead and roll this out with a rolling pin. And then on half of that pizza dough, we're just gonna go ahead and spread out pizza sauce and our toppings of choice. So today I decided to go with a vegan cheese. I also put on some diced onion in here. I put in a little bit of fresh garlic as well, some minced garlic that I had in the fridge. You could top this with whatever you'd like, however. You could do mushrooms, spinach, basil, whatever you're feeling. And then just to make sure that we're getting that added protein, I'm using a plant-based pepperoni, and that's where the rest of our protein is going to come in from. That vegan protein powder I put into the crust adds about 20 grams of protein, depending on if you use 1 to 2 scoops and the brand that you go with. And then the pepperonis that we use today will have 7 grams of protein per serving as well. So I'm using this field roast plant-based pepperoni today, and again that has about 7 grams of protein per serving. And so I just go ahead and stack that up, and then I do another layer before I close this up. If you opted to, additionally, you could use this crust just a regular pizza. You don't have to do a stuffed pizza. This is a good recipe for just a regular old pizza as well. And then I just go ahead and gently pull that over and close it up. You can just smash it together with a fork, or I opted to just go ahead and roll the ends up. And then to help get a nice golden color on the top, I'm brushing this with full fat coconut milk. You could also use a plant-based egg, like Just Egg, or like a vegan butter as well. And then I just went ahead and put this in the oven that's already been preheated to 375, and I bake it until it is golden brown. And that's it, guys. Super easy and super cheesy. I know that was super corny, but it's really easy and it was so bomb. Like, you can top this with anything, fill it up with any of your favorite pizza ingredients, and that crust already gives you a base for a nice high protein vegan meal. And then whatever additional plant-based proteins you put on the inside is just additional. So if you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching.